Hello, this is Wes Hickey with University of Texas at Tyler, and in this Weekly 5 I want to talk about districts of innovation. And we've been hearing about this over the past year or so, and many schools are starting to take advantage of it because what the purpose is to provide more discretion, especially in certain areas of Texas Education Code, and trying to create some of the freedoms that already exist for charter schools. And so, for example, you have some discretion with your school calendar, with the length of the school day, attendance rules, class size, teacher certification, teacher contracts, some issues within discipline, the teacher evaluations, conference periods, school uniforms, and maybe a few other things as well. What you don't have discretion in is in regard to STAR testing, financial regulations, the governance of the school, using the TEKS as the curriculum that you're ultimately going to follow, and then federal mandates as well. There's a number of steps to be able to do this, everything from working with the district advisory committee and getting the board involved with a board resolution and certain other timelines that go through. But ultimately, when you post a plan publicly, you have this district of innovation that is good for around 5 years. So what are schools taking advantage of? And there's a website that shows all the schools that have become districts of innovation and what they're actually trying to do. Most of them use it for school calendars. And the reason is that if we can start a little bit earlier, we can have a balanced semesters. Many schools are coming in and creating fall breaks as well as the spring breaks, and a lot of teachers and parents like this quite a bit, but it kind of bypasses the rules that the legislature says that we are supposed to start on that 4th Monday in August. So it starts a little bit earlier, but school calendar is an important part. Some use teacher certification because especially in small schools, if you have some kind of a unique class to offer, it is very difficult to find somebody that meets the certification of that unique class and the other areas where they have to be in. And so a lot of people are taking advantage of that in class size as well. The big issue always is what about teacher contracts? Because in charter schools is that all teachers are at-will employees. They don't have these term contracts in place that guarantee them employment. But most schools, when they are creating these districts of innovation, are not addressing teacher contracts. They understand the value of that stability that the teacher believes is important to have within that school district, and so they keep those in place, at least at this point. At UT Tyler, let us know what we can do, and remember, inspire and educate, be architects of human potential.